highlight very clearly, and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're new here, you may as well hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with my videos since you're already here anyways. So as you can tell, today's video is another tutu try on haul. I will put a link in the description box down below of the video that I already did with my other tutus and other costumes. Today I'll be trying on, again, 3 very old but very beautiful tutus and ballet costumes. Now the tutu that I'm wearing today, we'll get right into it. The very first one I'm wearing today gives me Giselle. It gives me Bluebird. This was actually, I think it was my first duet costume. Mom, if you're watching this, comment down below and correct me if I'm wrong, because I could totally be wrong. But I think we actually did dance to Giselle for this duet, and this is the costume that we wore, and it did look like Giselle, and I really love how comfortable it is. It's got a huge skirt, which all of the other ones are a little bit shorter and has that kind of applique around the corners that kind of goes in and out. This one just goes right to the edge, which is really, really pretty and kind of helpful for when you're jumping. You don't have to worry about little bits flooping up like this. Back is really simple, and it's got this little V part with all the sparkles. I'm not crazy about the sparkles, but hey, they're a nice detail. This also came with a little hairpiece as well, which I didn't find in the bag that this came in, but it's probably buried in the bottom somewhere. Otherwise, I really like this one. It's very comfortable. It's really, really simple. I'm actually thinking of reusing it for one of my solos this year for one of my students. It's a really nice costume. It fits really, really well. It's got velvet all around the bodice, and it's really comfortable. It's kind of warm. It's really cold here in Canada right now too. And if you haven't noticed, this is a totally new venue because me and my partner just moved to a new house. I'll also put that link in the description down below, as well as in the cards up here. Our moving vlog. This video will be up after our moving vlog, so I'll just put the card right up here for our moving vlog. This one's really, really pretty. I love the color. The blue is gorgeous. Blue is one of my favorite colors, blue and pink and purple. Other than that, I can't think of anything else aside from how comfortable this costume is. It works perfectly with the tutu. The tutu that came with this costume wasn't actually this specific tutu. It was a different one that was a little bit more floofy. This is one of the flat ones, the practice tutus. The one that I wore this with was one of those big puffy ones that little kids wear, because I wore this when I was like 12. It just stretches a lot. Believe me, I'm not the same size I was when I was 12. Believe me, this is just very stretchy, and surprisingly, I managed to squeeze into it. But it's really, really pretty. I like the blue color, like I said already. Yeah, I like this one a lot. I have a feeling it came with sleeves too. Let me just check. It definitely did. I just can't seem to find the sleeves that go with this one yet. It was something similar to that red one I tried on in the video previously, where it was like the puffy sleeves around it. This one too, I had to put little safety pins around it so this part didn't go up like this, just to secure it down. This one's really, really cool, and I am obsessed with the gloves and the neckline. The only thing with this one is it doesn't come with an overlay, you'll notice. It's because we wore a black tutu with it already, so there's no need for the overlay, but it does just go down to here like the other ones do. The only thing is also this is really tight, because I wore this also when I was 12. This is for a ballet group, the song Live and Let Die. I am obsessed with this one. I adore the colors, the neckline, the fit. It is a little bit small right now, so I'm trying not to move too much so that it doesn't pop and choke me. But I love, 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 love the gloves so much. I remember this group was to a character piece, they called it. It wasn't character like this type of character. It was more character like we were characters, and it was a ballet line. So there was different groups of age 10 to 12. There was some younger girls, there were some older kids in it. I remember this one specifically. I think there were black tights for it as well. The black tutu would make sense. So I'll just show the neckline again, because how cool is this neckline with the little strings holding it up? I love this part too, how it continues with the pattern on the neck, and it's velvet on the wrists. Also, don't mind the lighting change. I just turned on the light. I didn't turn on the light in the last segment, but I am obsessed with this one. Comment down below which one's your favorite. This is definitely my favorite. It doesn't fit super well right now just because it is so little and so small, but this one's definitely my favorite out of all my costumes. Comment down below which one's your favorite. This gives me like Harley Quinn, Joker vibes. Like I could totally see somebody wearing this for Halloween for like Harley Quinn or Joker. Maybe I'll wear it for Halloween. What are you guys gonna dress up as for Halloween? Let me know. Or are you even going out for Halloween? For my fall lovers, I think this is going to be your favorite. This one gives me autumnal vibes. It gives me fall or spring, Halloween, whichever, Thanksgiving. It has these little details at the very bottom of the flower petal-like things, and it has 3 little gems here. And I remember we used to have to pin this down to our tutu as well. This was for a ballet small group. I think we danced in Don Quixote or something, and I think it was called that. It's really gorgeous. This one's also really comfortable. It has a little bit of ruching here, and the details up here, the sparkles. I don't think it came with any gloves, but it did come with a little hair piece, which I'm not wearing because I don't have my hair up today. But I love the orange colors, the green, the pinks in it. The colors in this one are gorgeous, and it makes it pop really, 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 really pretty. I think there's 5 girls in this dance, and hence small group. Yeah, I was about 12 or 13 when I did this one. Again, my mom will have to comment down below and correct me if I'm wrong, but I really like this one. I wish it had gloves, but at the same time, I like the simplicity of it, and I think the colors just are enough to make it pop, make it really special and beautiful. The back is just really simple, and the front, like I said, it has the ruching already, and it has the details on the top. But I love this one. This isn't the tutu that I wore with it. It was also one of those puffy ones that you have to secure down, and it had more frills underneath. But I love this costume. Like, I would still wear it today for a performance. It's really, really gorgeous. And surprisingly, these parts are a lot better than those ones. Those ones were like penny straps. The nude ones, these ones that are attached, are actually stretchy and fit, and I can get it on without collapsing. But I really like this one too. There's a little, I like that it's all soft and velvet, and it shines really nice in the light, you can see. And I just think these colors are flattering in every skin tone, every hair color, pretty much anybody. Just these costumes in general are really pretty and flattering. Again, let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. I'll also put a link in the description box down below of my part 1 of this series with the red costume and my green Tinkerbell costume, as well as that black dragon looking costume. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite, and let me know what you want to see next. If you want to see a part 3 of this series, I also have a series with my leotards, trying on all of my dance leotards. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, and bye now.